Okay, they say the devil's in the details, and here's the Cushman Tillotson fuel settling bowl and needle valve, and here's the little Nurgus that I lost. It took me 2 days and an hour to find this little sucker. This is a little cupped leather washer, and this is the shaft seal for this needle valve housing. And I pried that out with my dental pick thinking it was dirt and only to find out it's this little leather cup washer. I don't know for sure, but I got a pretty good idea that this is unobtanium. So forewarned is forearmed. You're going to look in this hole when you take out your needle valve and see that in there and think it's dirt. My advice is leave it in there. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Clean around it and but leave it in there. Very, very easy to lose and very, very hard to find unless you have an absolutely scrupulous floor with nothing on it, which I don't have. Okay, so I'm going to put that back in there and count myself lucky.